In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can open and close your DJI OSMO Mobile SE. So I'm going to open it up to begin with. The hardest part is closing it. To open it, you're just going to hold it like so. You're going to pull out the back like that, and then it will just come up like that. And that is it. When you put your phone in here and set it up, it will automatically stabilize itself. Now, when it comes to closing it, it's slightly harder, but there is little markings on it to let you know how to line it up. So if you look really, really closely, we have a marking just here. It looks like a little egg just here. And we have one here as well. So what you want to do is you want to line these two up together. Yeah, and then if you have a look at the bottom here, we have another one of those little markings just here. And if we bring it round to here, you can see we have another marking just here. So if you line up all the markings, it will then allow you to fold this down and it will lock into place like that. Now, it's all well and good lining these things up here. Clearly it works. It's just that they're a little bit hard to see. So in practice, you're just going to get used to doing it. So you want to have this bit towards you. You can see it doesn't go towards you that way, so rotate it this way. And then you want to have this bit underneath. Yeah, so you've got this bit here underneath. So you can kind of feel it like this. And you're just going to bring it down and basically place it in. Now, it might not go in. You might put it down and it might be loose like this. Just lift it up a little bit and place it in there. And even when you put it there, it might not go in properly. You have to give it a little wiggle. There you go. And then it goes in. So it's just something you're just going to have to just get used to doing. And once you're used to it, it doesn't really take any amount of time at all. So you can see there, like that, and then down, home. So that's it. That's how to open and close your DJI OSMO Mobile SE. Thanks for watching.